take much of your time because if I speak for too long, I might sound political. So excuse me for that. Hilbri chisni Kokborok ya chak sal. Let me be precise. Kokborok Day, it's called Kokborok Day, but to be precise, it's Kokborok ya chak sal, means recognition day. Kokborok is recognized in 1979. After so much of controversies, so much of demands, and so much of fight. So it's our duty to preserve our language. It's our second language. And it's you and us who can do it. We, as a politicians, as an administrator, our duty is to bring the best policies for you. And you, who will be shaping the future, starting from elementary to higher education, you all will be playing a big role to teach the future generation that what Kokborok Day is and what is the importance of an official language. So, my message will be clear that whatever domain you reach or whatever career you might be choosing or whichever position you might be in future, do not forget your roots because this state is ours and we belong to a beautiful cultural, a very huge traditional state. And in this state, our Kokborok language is recognized as an official language. Today it's 47. So, to all the faculty members also, that we give the precise knowledge to everyone what actual was the fight for, what actual was the demand, and what are we striving for. There can be many controversies coming in future. There can be scholars who might be writing this and that. Some say that our language is from Sino-Tibetan. Some say Tibeto-Burmese. There are many things going on in the club. But what actually matters is how we preserve it. We as a legislator, we have been taking this to the assembly, to the mainstream, that we need to bring an exposure. Our state language needs to be in a vast other state also. See, when we go to other state, what happens is they welcome us with their official language, with their official attire, with their traditional activities. So this is how they preserve. And we, some section of our people, let's be honest, some section of our people in the state also, they feel awkward to speak Kokborok. And Kokborok by is Havanam. Some of you might be thinking that Paul Dangsu, what is Dangsu? I come from Garo community, but I speak Kokborok. Kokborok by is Havanam, or Zara Tomai Ragno. Jun Auto level of Jun, Obno the side of Lightum, Obno Bahike Taisa Milik Renai, Obno Taisa Bahike Puchumbo Lanai, Obno Bahike Taisa, Jun Obno Milik Rui. Chini future generation chini thinam jara chini busabutai future of any of chung borok bahike siruna iche chung boroni phaimani chung tamo present khai chung tamo represent khai chini hukumu tamo chini traditional tamo chung princely state kha apni pore union territory kha recognized state kha mi apni 53rd year kintu chung Kokborok recognized mani bubru 47th Taklai Beke, Phil Bridge is need.